Welcome back to my channel. And oh, also too, sorry if I'm gonna be like a little bit quiet. It's like 9:30 at night and I don't really want people to hear me, but yeah, I guess what I'm just trying to say is welcome back to 31 days of Allieween. I'm really excited. I've had so much fun creating these makeup looks, and even though like I'm not like a complete expert at makeup, I just had fun. And so you will see in some tutorials that some tutorials are better than other ones, and that's okay. I'm still a beginner. I'm no way a professional at all. I'm just having fun with it, and I thought this would be like a fun way to challenge my creativity along with like my skills, I guess, even though I don't really feel like I have many skills. But yeah, that's about it. If you don't know what Allieween is, it's basically just every day in October I upload a new makeup tutorial every day, and that's about it. So I mean, if I'm gonna rewind a bit, this is kind of my third attempt at it. My first year I called it Allieween, which was, you know, just, you know, the H at the beginning and then the alley in the middle, and then that kind of just flopped. And then last year I just stuck to 31 days of Halloween, and I continued it on my Instagram account. By the way, it's gonna be linked down below. But the video part, it was a big hassle and like a big technical difficulty, and that wasn't very fun. So this year I've prepared, and I'm hoping I can make this my best try yet. I mean, third time's a charm, right? So we're gonna see. And so yeah, I guess that's just enough of me rambling. Now you know what Allieween is, and now you can, well, we will just get on into this tutorial.
Alright, so first I'm going to be using the NYX HD Concealer in Nude Beige to cover up my blemishes. And then I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Light Sand to highlight underneath my eyes. And then I'm going in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in Golden Beige. Next, I'm going in with the Laura Pro Contour Palette, and I'm taking the light contour shade and using that to contour. And then I'm taking this Too Faced Love Flush. I'm going to be honest, I'm not entirely sure what shade it is, but I'm basically trying to put that on the apples of my cheeks. And then I'm putting on some Scotch tape on the outer corners of my eyes. Then I'm going in with the NYX Cosmetics Ultimate Shadows Palette in Brights, and I'm taking that light blue shade, well, the more electric blue, and I'm putting that in my crease. And then I'm taking the more like deep true blue and putting that on the lid. And then I'm taking the NYX Epic Ink Liner and using that to give myself a nice wing liner. And then we no longer need this Scotch tape. And then I'm just taking the red shade from this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette and just putting that on my lips. And then I'm taking the Marc Jacobs retractable black eyeliner and making a mole, but we don't have to stop there. I'm actually going to take that same eyeliner pencil and basically drawing a mustache.
Alright, and that is it for this makeup tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun creating it, as well as all of them. All of these were pretty fun. But anyway, that's pretty much it for today's look. We will see you tomorrow with a new one, but don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, whatever you want. Also check out my social media, link down below. And if you are a Pure Beaded bracelet or a Sand Cloud shopper, don't forget to check out my discount codes that will also be linked down below. And I guess that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow with a new one. Bye!